light it up and we smoke. Keep me high up off the ground.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's me, your girl Briana Marie, and I'm back with another slay. Let's see how I achieve this slay. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the tutorial. Alright guys, so I went ahead and prepped my skin, y'all. So as we all know that it's a pandemic, people are suffering from the coronavirus or dying from the coronavirus. So I guess while they lock us in, it's like really time to throw out these makeup tutorials. I am going to do 3 tutorials today. The other 2 are going to be like probably real mini. I want to do something like shimmery. P.louise Base number 7 and number 3. We're going to put this on our lid. Androgyny palette from Jefree, and I'm going to grab this brown right here. Brianamccalip Rock flat brush. I want to bite yours.
Hey.
So my Morphe 535 brush. And we're going to do the last color. But before that, the color that I went in with was Fulani. Right here. Oh, what I'm about to do is I'm about to pick. I want to do this color, but I feel like it's warm. And like, it's not going to go on top of that. Let me try. I'm going to just try. This is Zulu. It's Zulu. So I'm trying to keep this away from the brow bone. Time to cut the crease. I went ahead already and like pre-cut it with a Neutrogena wipe. Now I'm about to go in with this MAC Select Cover Up. This is what they used before they came out with P.louise. They used to use these. All UK makeup artists used to use these. Actually dries down. Give it a minute to dry down, but they actually work pretty good. I want to give y'all something else that y'all can use, you know, to cut y'all bases with, or actually put shadow on. So I'm gonna use this. We're gonna see how it's gonna turn out. I don't know though. This is in NC35. I don't even think they carry these anymore at MAC. So if they do, let me know. Check your local MAC store. But other than that, I got these like 3 years ago at was this IMAX in New York when they had the convention. And I was like, let me try it, because like I said, P.louise wasn't out like that. So I was trying to get every concealer. I'm shaking it up because sometimes it might be liquidy, like to the point where the stuff is at the top and then the liquid is at the bottom. You gotta shake, just like foundation. I actually like this concealer. What I'll be doing, y'all, is I'll be wiping off the excess that be going into the brown, because what happens is it fades. You don't want that. I ate earlier.
Get back.
Yeah, look at it. I think they even. Don't get me wrong. I don't know if they are not. They look like it. If they're not, then oh well. So what I'm doing is basically drawing a diagonal line and smoking this up before I add the shimmer shade. Black Out of the Worries palette by Jefree Base. Just only on the outer V. It's just like this, but I am gonna take a shimmer shade, which is Gas By from Peaches and Cream Makeup. So it really doesn't have to be like perfect. Just a smooth out look. I'm gonna take a smaller detail brush for that. I'm just supposed to be blurring out the edge part. Thick brush. But I'm feeling low. So this is it. Smoked out. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this tutorial. I hope that y'all enjoyed. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And I hope that y'all enjoyed this beat. And if you want to share this video, don't forget to do so. And I'll catch y'all in the next one.